Good morning. Dundee's Lord Provost says the cross-party group that's trying to save the city's Remploy factory are having needless difficulties put in their way. Bob Duncan chairs the body and is unhappy at bosses from Remploy who won't let them speak to workers at the plant about their potential future roles. The company said getting the views of staff would cause them considerable uncertainty and increase confusion about their future. The UK government has earmarked the Dunsinane industrial site for closure, saying it's not commercially viable. Around 45 jobs are at risk. A drug that's been used to treat gout for more than 40 years has the potential to prevent heart disease and strokes. Scientists from Dundee University have found that allopurinol can reduce thickening of the heart muscle wall. Professor Alan Struthers from Dundee University led the study. He told Wave 102 News the discovery has economic as well as health benefits.
New drugs tend to be quite expensive, and so it's a tremendous bonus in this age of austerity to find drugs that are old and therefore cheap, have other uses, and can treat other diseases. It's almost the ideal for an age of austerity to find cheap drugs and new uses for them, and that's what we've done today.
The Queen is recuperating at Buckingham Palace after being treated in hospital for symptoms of gastroenteritis. Her official engagements have been suspended for the week, including a trip to Rome while she rests. She was discharged by doctors yesterday following an overnight stay at the private King Edward VII Hospital in central London. An army of volunteers will be taking part in a clean-up of Dundee's West End later. They'll be in the Riverside and Perth Road areas, removing graffiti and picking up litter. It's part of the National Spring Clean initiative that's run by Keep Scotland Beautiful. West End Lib Dem councillor Fraser McPherson says it's good to see so many people getting involved.
I don't think there's any doubt that having a good mix of people from community groups, from the staff and students at the university, local residents and so on, is really good. And I'm delighted that so many people are willing to take part and come along and help clean up the West End. It's a great example of community spirit in our local area.
Nearly 250,000 frauds were recorded in the UK in 2012. That's the highest number